Welcome to the Brenna Girls. Guys, I got bird.
Okay. That's what you want to say? This is the materials we're going to be using. The can, I'm using it from the Similac powder milk from the twins, and everything else is just laying around the house.
It's not done. Here's different colors, and we got some scissors. That's why. Dangerous. And then we got some tape and green tape. The blue one's is a girl and the green one's a boy.
Do they have names yet, Mia?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Are you thinking about names?
Yeah.
Do you know what color you're going to name the boy or the girl?
The blue one's is bellows and the green one's is beetles.
No, they're both yours.
Yeah.
They're your birdies.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like that thing?
Say we just made that.
We just made this.
Their food holder.
This is food holder.
And
it has food in it for the birds.
Are you going to clean their cage?
Yeah.
You got to clean it. It's dirty.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's how it's going to look. Those are Mia's birdies. Look, Mia. Say if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe.
If you like this video, comment and subscribe.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.